Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway improvement project. Now we are going over the Harborview Bridge, and this is officially where the project starts, and it goes to Port Antonio in Portland. 140 kilometers of highway quality road. Now it's being done in sections. So we're going to look at the section between Harborview and Yallahs. And this section is actually finished. The road itself is finished. So we're going to give you a tour and show you what's going on out here. So this section of the road between Harborview and Yallahs is 4 lanes. It has a dual carriageway, but that starts further up. Now they have, well, the road hasn't been officially opened yet, but all 4 lanes should be operational. So we're going to see what's going on. Looks like they have some minor stuff to do. But the important thing is that all 4 lanes are operational. So this is the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. Yep, definitely have some things left to do. Have you noticed the street lights are being installed? They should be finished by now. We'll take the tour. They're putting in street lights between Harborview and Yallahs. Looks like they've put in quite a few street lights. They're also putting in stop lights along this roadway.